In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Smartsheet in Excel. This process is quite straightforward, but I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure you can seamlessly export your data from Smartsheet and harness the powerful features of Excel for your analysis or editing needs. To begin with, you'll want to start by opening up your Smartsheet account and locating the specific sheet or report that you wish to work with in Excel. Once you have your desired sheet open, look towards the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the File menu. This menu is your gateway to many of the sheet's functionalities, including the export options we'll be using. When you click on File, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. From this list, you'll want to select Export. Clicking on Export will reveal yet another submenu, and here is where you choose Export to Microsoft Excel. By selecting this option, Smartsheet will begin the process of converting your sheet into an Excel.xlsx file. This file type ensures compatibility with most versions of Microsoft Excel, allowing for a smooth transition of your data from one platform to the other. Once you've selected Export to Microsoft Excel, your browser will prompt you to save the file. You can choose where on your computer you'd like to download it, perhaps your Downloads folder for easy access, as this is an important decision depending on your organizational preferences. Keep in mind that having a well-organized system for your downloads will help you locate your files more efficiently in the future. With your file downloaded, the next step involves opening Excel. Simply launch the Excel application on your computer, and from the initial screen, you should select Open. Navigate to the folder where you downloaded your Smartsheet file, locate the .xlsx file you saved earlier, and double-click it to open. This is where the magic happens. Your Smartsheet data will now appear in Excel, giving you access to Excel's robust analysis and editing features. Now that your data is in Excel, you can begin to leverage the vast array of tools available, from pivot tables to powerful charting capabilities. Feel free to format the data further, perform calculations, or enhance the visual presentation to fit your needs. Excel is incredibly versatile, allowing for deeper insights and more advanced data manipulations than what might be directly available in Smartsheet. Remember, exporting from Smartsheet to Excel not only allows you to enhance your data's presentation, but also gives you the flexibility to share and collaborate with others who might be more comfortable using Excel. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this walkthrough has made the process clear and easy for you. Thanks for joining me, and happy data analyzing.